whole show.
There's so many things that you don't know about my soul.
You're thinking, where the hell is the sexiest wrestling manager in the entire business, the hardcore giant, Niemi, come from? I'm going to answer that question for you, Dave Pencer. The hardcore giant, Niemi, the greatest manager in professional wrestling today, is not wasting his time in Florida Underground Wrestling or the NWA unless he's bringing the greatest tag team that money can buy, and that's what you're looking at when you look at the great Kendrick and the man of the hour himself, Deimos, and the hottest, sexiest little thing that you've ever seen in Camey Kendrick. Now every one of you do yourselves a favor and sit there and keep your mouth shut while I so eloquently tell you what's going to happen tonight to the legendary Anvil Neidhardt, and most doubtedly the greatest man on the independent scene in Florida today, the Marquee Santee. Now Bruce Santee and Neidhardt may be one of the greatest tag teams that WWE has ever put together today. But the truth is, compared to Deimos and compared to Kendrick, they're absolutely nothing. And if they know what's good for them, they're going to stay in the back, they're going to take the count out, the referee is going to raise their hands, and we're going to walk out victorious. Now Dave Pencer, do your job.
Oh yeah, let's go! Yeah, baby!
And his tag team partner, it's a fantastic program. Well, I had to wrestle for FUW.
That's right!
Now let's do something, right?
Let's do it, yeah!
You know what? We ain't got time for talking. Me and Jim are gonna lay it down in this ring for all these fine people in Tampa, Florida, and we're gonna leave everybody going home happy, because that's what the two of us do. So let's get in here.
What are you doing?
It's Anvil. Shit to do back there. Please.
Real quick, easy night.
Pay attention.
He likes to grab the beard.
He likes to do that, but don't let him distract
I'm gonna
you
rip the
because
beard
you
off.
rip it off of his face. Please.
Come on, Jim, get him, Jim! Get him, Jim! There you go, Jim! Muscle, muscle! Yeah, Jim! Nothing! Nothing! It's a legend, baby! It's a legend! Get him, Jim! Yeah, Jim! Jim! Come on now, Kennedy! Yeah! There you go, Jim! There you go, Jim! The hair referee! Keep him on! Yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about, Jim! Come on, Anvil! You got him, Jim! You got him! Get him, Jim! Let him off! Get him! Get him! That's what I'm talking about! It's the Anvil, baby! Big shoulder tap! Back him up, Raptor! Get out of there! Jump, 1-9.
Get him off. There you go. You got him now.
Jim, not
Yes,
yet.
you are.
Not yet.
Not yet. Well, you're gonna.
Yeah.
Slow down now. It's ridiculous. Come on, Kennedy. Sorry.
Oh, you want to go there?
That was funny.
Come on, Bruce, how about it? Come on! He's strong enough. He's strong enough. That's not getting free. You want to hit him, girlfriend? Get him, Bruce.
Sit down now, Kennedy. Put it on. Yeah.
Come on, Kennedy, out of the corner, man. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, you tough? Yeah? You tough? Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, your winners, Bruce Santee and Jim Neidhardt.